In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a dollar sign in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Open your Google Sheets. Okay, so I have this one from here and I've just typed a number. So this is 100. So in order to put a dollar sign symbol into this number, we need to look at the ribbon at the top and we can find this 123 symbol, more formats. Click on that. And here we can find US dollar. But if you don't find the US dollar in the list of options from here, click on custom currency and simply type in here US and US dollar will appear. Click on that and click on apply. Okay, and if I'm going to type another number and move downwards, I'm just going to click on that and then click on this 123 symbol and click on US dollar. Or you can simply type all the numbers like that. And then you have to select it. And then click on this more formats and click on US dollar and that's it. Okay, that's how you can easily insert a dollar sign symbol into the Google Sheets. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.